Hello everyone. We are so happy, so excited to be with you today at the launch of DAMS DVT 2022 to do a mega revision for NEET PG.
Yes, we understand what DVT means, not just for you, but for us as well. So when I speak right now, I really have goosebumps. We've been really working hard in order to give out our best. There is a competition among teachers who's going to be the best. Yes, so we are all trying to give you the most concise, most high yielding things for your revision. It doesn't matter whether whatever you have done till now, first revision हुआ है, नहीं हुआ है, some lectures are left or not left, it does not matter. Okay, whatever we are going to give you are things that you definitely need to know close to the exam. This is what you need to, called so-called must-haves. So get ready and be excited, be involved, and we are going to start at 2 p.m.
And when we say we are starting at 2 p.m., we actually started decades back. This DAMS DVT, the DAMS visual treat, has decades of legacy. The only thing that is common about every year is that every year somehow we manage to have the maximum strike rate in the NEET PG exam. And today, we always create unique approaches. Every DVT in the past decade has been a unique approach. Like last year we had that integrated approach. This year, considering that the students have less amount of time and what they need is a very crisp notes. So we will this year show you how to make concise a topic in a single page, how to concise everything into small notes so that you have something to look at in the last day.
And believe me, there is something that I have to put in, and I did put a small video on it as well. Now, what does this everything mean? Please understand, you don't have to do everything about everything, okay? That's impossible task for anybody. So what we're going to do is everything about something that is most likely to be asked in the exams. Yes, so that is how we make it high yielding, yet concise and crisp, okay?
Now, this is also our attempt to take you not only with the content and the concepts, we also will help you with the mindset required for the exam. So what we have done is we have divided every day's session into two parts. The first session would be as per your schedule, where we will do a high yield revision of the topics. But after the day's session are over, we will take a small break and come back with a high yield MCQ based brainstorming session.
Yes, so ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you attend these sessions and then you go back and you don't rejoin. So after the day's session, so we'll be finishing well in time, don't worry. That's why we have split it up over relatively longer period. So we'll give you a break, have something, come back, and we will have a round of MCQs. Every day, every subject, the ones that are going to be most high yielding, okay? And it's a small request that I want to make to all of you today, and that is, please understand कि ये एक हफ्ता 3 दिन इस week के and 3 दिन next week के, can you all detach yourself from the outcome of the exam? मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग ये sessions attend करो without any fear of how you will perform in the exams. Attend the session with faith. Yes, that is something which I believe is the most important ingredient for a good outcome. Faith in what you are doing. So detach yourself कि हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है, क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मैंने रिविजन नहीं किया, is it possible for me, या मैंने शुरुआत ही नहीं किया, is it possible for me. What I say is, whatever you're going to do now, start it with faith in your heart and determination in your mind.
And so what we have done is we have divided the session into, we've tried to balance the theory and MCQs. And that is one of my messages for you for the next 2 months would be divide your day 60% into theory, which is your notes revision, 40% MCQ based, where you should be giving tests, grand tests, CBTs, SWTs, class tests, TND. Put 40% of your time every day into MCQs.
And please believe me, जो हम पढ़ाने वाले हैं और जिस तरह से हम उसे crisp and concise करने वाले हैं, Some of you, have a fear of spending this much time. Believe me, if you had to do this on your own, you would take months. Yes, so believe me, when we are bringing something to you, we value your time. You will cherish these moments that you spend here, not only for the amazing time that you're going to have, but also because we would make things simpler, easier, doable for you, so that you can do multiple revisions even in the last week before the exam. Yes.
Now, answering some often asked questions in the chat. After the live sessions are over, in the same night, we will upload these videos for you so that you can see the recorded videos later on as well. So I'm answering again, yes, the recordings of this session will also be available.
The PDFs would also be available. Still, some of you are asking, should we write?
Definitely, it's always a good idea to make notes, but
Don't worry
whatever
about
the
it.
teachers are showing, the images or
Everything
their
will be given.
PPTs, they will be shared in the, for those of you who are new to the app, when you look at the DBT section on this course, you will see on the top videos, and you will see a heading saying notes and tests. In that heading, your notes and your PPTs will be uploaded after the session. And also please look at the description section of this course, where you can see the schedule for the entire event as well.
And also, some of you were really asking me again, and you're still asking, had I been in your place? Yes, I would definitely sit with empty sheets or an empty notebook, whatever you want to say. And I would definitely sort of write some pointers, some things that the teacher is speaking, or try just to stay in sync. Okay, it's very important that it's not your physical presence that we desire more. What we desire more is your mental presence as well. So you have to be here physically, mentally, involve yourself. Sometimes you feel it's online, so the teacher will not be able to listen to me, but still speak out. Sitting in your own room, speak out. The energy should be there. Itna energy hona chahiye that your mom and dad have to peep in. Oh, who are you talking to? Right? So that is the kind of energy that should come from your room when you are studying. That positive energy is going to boost you. It will boost your confidence and your performance.
जब हम बोलें कि म्यूजिक चला तो फिर डांस भी करेंगे, एंड सो वी ऑल्सो थॉट विल हैव सम इंस्पिरेशंस फॉर यू, एंड वी विल बी एबल टू आंसर सम क्वेश्चंस दैट मेनी ऑफ यू आर आस्किंग. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेनी पीपल आस्क इज, सर मेरा पिछली बार रैंक अच्छा नहीं आया था. आई रिपीट इन इंग्लिश दैट आई कुड नॉट डू वेल इन द प्रीवियस एग्जाम, कैन आई इम्प्रूव, कैन आई इम्प्रूव. So I invited today somebody to talk to you who improved from a 12,000 rank with a period of 3-4 months to get a AIMS PG seat into top 50.
Dream to have an interview with you, sir, and I'm feeling so top on the world. I started my course, a regular batch course from Amritsar last year, and then it was slowly, just steadily. I'll I make the notes and then study them very, matlab like continuously. I read them, but my neat result was so much disappointment that I started feeling ki nahi, I can't do this. I'll take my whatever branch they will give me, I'll take. Now it's my time to tell them ki this branch I want. So I'm feeling very great, sir. And
did you continue till this AIMS exam?
Sir, like मैं जब मेरा 12,000 rank आया तो everyone was like कि okay, no, don't worry, just go with the flow, कोई बात नहीं, anesthesia मिल रही है, कुछ भी मिल रहा है, just take it and just move forward. आगे भी पढ़ना है लाइफ में तो आगे तुम कर लेना और इससे बेटर. तो मेरे लिए यही था कि लाइक आगे बढ़ना, कुछ करना, लेकिन जो मेरा ऑलरेडी ड्रीम था लाइक यहाँ पे आना या कुछ भी मैंने जो सोचा था तो वो तो बीच में ही रह गया सब कुछ. तो मेरे को ये था कि नहीं, मुझे अपना सपना पूरा करना है, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स का भी सपना मेरे साथ था जुड़ा. वो भी चाहते कि हमारी फ़ोटो न्यूज़पेपर में आए, मतलब हमारे लोग पूछें कि लाइक वाओ. तो वो सारी चीज़ें मेरी मतलब मिस हो रही थी. तो मुझे ये था कि नहीं, अगर 12,000 आए हैं तो मेरी मम्मा ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया. तो शी टोल्ड कि कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट गिव वन मोर टाइम, कोई नहीं, हम आपके साथ हैं, जो मर्जी कोई बोले हम आपके साथ हैं, आप पढ़ो बस. अब पूरा साल फिर पढ़ना पड़ेगा, कैसे करोगी, पूरे साल की मेहनत है, कैसे आप मतलब पूरे साल कैसे लगाओगी फिर से वही चीज़ों में, फिर घर बैठना पड़ेगा, फिर कहीं नहीं जा सकते तुम. तो ये सारे थॉट्स मतलब ये सब नेगेटिव, लेकिन माई पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेड मी सो वेल कि नहीं अगर करना है तो करना है। तो फिर मैंने उसी तरह अपने लास्ट के 2 मंथ्स पढ़ना शुरू, जीटीज दे दिए, ठीक है, दे के रख दिए जीटीज को, देन दे डोंट सी द सॉल्यूशंस कि कोई बने टाइम वेस्ट होगा देखने में, फिर देखेंगे तो सब कुछ मतलब लाइक कि दे दिया चलो कोई बात नहीं, रैंक पीछे आ गए कोई बात नहीं, जीटीज दे के रख दिए। मेरे को ये रहता था कि जब मैंने अगर अपना कोई जीटी या एसडब्ल्यूटी कुछ भी दिया है तो मैं उसके सोल्यूशन खोलूँ, उनकी वीडियो। सर बेस्ट थिंग ऑफ द डैम्स इज वीडियो सोल्यूशंस। आई ग्रेटली मतलब like I love the video solution, how the teacher tell you how to approach that question easily। मतलब like हमारी thinking कुछ और होती है क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच करने की, टीचर्स की एक वे ऑफ थिंकिंग अलग होता है। कि मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा था कि रास्ता आप चुनते हो, मंजिल आपको चुनती है। अगर आप सही रास्ता चुनोगे तो आप डेफिनेटली उस मंजिल तक ज़रूर पहुंचोगे। तो मेरे लिए यही है कि अगर आप मतलब लाइक गलत दिशा में अपना सारा जोर लगाई जा रहे हो तो आपको कोई बेनिफिट होने नहीं वाला है, आप फिर से वहीं पे खड़े होगे जो मैंने अपनी मतलब जर्नी से फेस की है, ठीक है। मैंने उसके बाद अपने लास्ट के 2 मंथ्स एम से पहले मैंने प्रॉपरली नोट्स को प्रॉपरली पढ़ा है। मतलब मेरे लिए नोट्स मेरे लिए एक तरह के भगवान है। और लाइक मैंने अपनी बुक्स, मेरे को लोग पूछते हैं कि आप अपने नोट्स दे दो हमें, आपके नोट्स से पढ़ लेते हैं हम। लाइक मेरे को ये है कि लाइक नोट्स मैं दे भी दूँ, लेकिन जो नोट्स से मैंने समझने की कोशिश की है वो आप मेरे नोट्स से कैसे समझने की कोशिश कर सकते हो। तो मेरे लिए यही है कि लाइक अपने नोट्स बनाओ, एक क्लास में बैठो, सुनो टीचर को, फिर उसमें आप घर जाओ, उसको पढ़ो। ठीक है, नहीं समझ आ रहे ना तो जब टीचर दोबारा आपको इतने डिफरेंट तरीके से समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं, जीटीज बनाता है, एसडब्ल्यूटीज बनाता है, इतनी बार उसको मतलब एक टॉपिक को इतनी बार वो अच्छे से रिवाइज करा देता है उस चीज़ में, मतलब एक तरह की वो रिवीजन। अब जैसे लाइक सो एम्स कैप्सूल, मतलब वो मेरे लिए टोटली रिवीजन की तरह था। मैंने अपने पॉज करके वीडियो उसके साथ अपने नोट्स पे, मैंने कुछ ऐसा एडिशन नहीं किया उसमें कि लाइक ये मैंने कॉपी में लिखा ही नहीं है या
So what we have learned from the first, our guest of today is that your past does not defines you, it prepares you. I see some people are saying in the chat कि सर मेरा तो 12,000 से भी पीछे रैंक आया था. So if you see वो 12,000 से she has become 50. So you can aim for it. You can improve. I have examples, many examples of people who have been not qualified and they have got into top 10 also. So it is important to have that positivity in your mind. The second positivity is, I keep seeing students asking me कि सर peripheral college में, I am from a private college, can I get into central institutes, can I do well in AIMS? So I had one more guest for you.
And today I am here to speak to all of you and share with you my story and my journey of how I've achieved this rank. Before I begin, I would like to thank Dr. Sumer and Dr. Deepthi for giving me this opportunity here to sit and discuss and share my journey and my story. So I've done my MBBS from Sikkim Manipal Institute. It is a private college and it is in the periphery where we did not get much exposure to how to prepare for post-graduation entrance examinations. So once I was in my internship, I came to Delhi and I joined my coaching classes. And in my first attempt, I was ranked 14,000 in NEET. But then my first attempt at Central Institute examinations was in 2018 May, where I had secured a rank of around 500 in AIMS, which was the first motivational guide towards cracking these exams, because from 14,000 to achieving 500 was a big thing for me. And that is when I decided that I can also crack the Central Institute examinations. So then I came just right after NEET. 1 week later I joined DAMS Delhi, the AIMS Fast Track TND course, because it was a very crisp course of 6 months, and I decided that I would follow nothing else apart from the advice given by Dr. And today I am here to speak.
So the second message that we wanted to give to you is your surroundings do not define you. I keep seeing students asking, sir, mere aaspas, I don't see examples of people who have done well. I don't see examples. So I am telling you that you don't need examples. You need to become the example. आप समझिए इस बात को. You don't need to see examples around you. You actually have to become the example for your juniors कि ये बंदा निकाल गया rank तो हम क्यों नहीं. I want you to do this, okay? So that is my second message. The third message is very, very personal, very, very important. I know many students today who are dealing with personal health issues and family, health issues because of the pandemic and otherwise also. So I thought I will show you one message. This was, this came into my memories in my Facebook today as we are doing DVT. This is a DVT message that a student sent us, I think, few years back. Okay, so this student had had a neurological, I'm not giving the name on purpose, the student had multiple sclerosis and attended the DVT, and it was a painful, and it had issues, but still managed to get a great PG seat. And I also thought I'll show you to you, like Sachin Tendulkar, after losing his father, came back, made a century, looked up and dedicated the century to his father. So I would say that this is the time to convert your pain into your purpose. You may be feeling कि मैं हार गया या मेरे साथ सब गलत हो गया, everything. But you can harness that energy and convert it into your purpose. Do it for your loved ones. Do it, if you are, convert that pain into your power is what my message is. And today we will all together promise before we start the session for the day is, let's go all out. No ifs, no buts, no regrets. So stop saying, sir, if I study, will I get? No if, no but, no regrets. Let's go ahead and do it. I wish you all the best. I welcome you to DAMS DVT 2022. Let's revise high yield together.